Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're stopping by for the very first time, thank you for stopping. My name is Praise, and if you're a returning subscriber, I see you, I love you. Thank you for your support. Yep. Today I'll just be taking you guys on a tour around Safari Park. This actually is Glasgow Queen Street, the train station where we'll be boarding a train heading straight to Safari Park. So sit down, grab your glass of juice. Let's do this. Station is Safari Park is located at Drummond, Stirling, still within Scotland. So the train took about 20 minutes. We've been planning this trip for a very long time now, and by the end of this video you should be able to tell if this trip turned out well or not. But guys, it was such a wonderful time planning to go to the park to see the animals, and we're getting ready to drop from the train right about now.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.
All these places, I said, yeah,
All these places,
So we're gonna catch up with the lions.
Give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me?
Yeah, we're finally at the park. It's been a long day, but we're finally here. Okay, so we had an amazing time taking a drive down to where the animals are. This is not the scary part yet. We'll still get to the part where we have to see these huge animals.
Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time.
Honestly, I can tell you guys how scared I feel right now. Yeah, driving to the lion's den, right into the lion's den. Okay, okay.
Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind?
these lions have been sleeping for how long?
No, one is already up.
Okay, because there were five.
Imagine somebody go kill them.
We just
That's
come
why
and
you
see
know
them.
that
Be
they're
good for
awake.
me. was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to
See the king alone, he just.
give me the impression
got no
that
more.
I
More not even
won't
talk about
scratch
that
your
one.
surface.
I think the zoom is too much.
And I could walk for days, searching for your praise. But is it even there to find?
This one is young.
Chance from me.
This is mom's. Why are you looking at
Yes, they're cute.
Inside there.
They drop the song.
But they're not wild.
Lost in your maze, stuck in your gaze. How can I get out? I'm out of time.
Scratching face. Is that just in any way?
Oh, please do not feed the animal.
That's it. Because if you give it to me,
Baby, show me how. Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my mind? Will I slowly lose my
Too much.
What animal is this? We kept
I think
guessing. Like it looks like a camel, a donkey,
Alpaca.
different things at the
It's
same
not a man.
time.
It's
What's your name,
No,
animal?
it's not coming. So this is that scary part for those of us who don't know how to swim. Getting into the boat, playing with the water is all part of the fun.
I can even though if I can't swim, you don't understand. You see, they say deep portion, deep water. You're saying it's cash. You guys are not easy. For me again. Hey, are you guys saying? You guys are mad. Why are you using your phone? God.
To remind you, to remind you
So they're
how
going to
you
be instant. Oh my God, I feel like I will fall.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. But when you talk to me, give me the impression that I won't scratch your surface. And I could walk for days, searching for your place. But is it even there to find? Is there a chance for me?